Hi friends, today we are going to talk about an Android app, Earthquake Tracker. Let me first give you a brief overview on the application. Earthquake Tracker is an app which provides user with the information on seismic activities occurring globally. The earthquake coordinates are obtained from USGS database. In this app, we shall be making some RESTful API calls to get all the earthquake data from the server. The information in the app is live and represents real time data of the seismic events. We shall also provide user login and registration mechanism. User has an option to log in through Facebook as well. The details of earthquake can also be shared on the Facebook using the Facebook action button. Now let us go ahead and run the app. It takes few moments to run the app. This is the login activity page. Let us begin by registering. It gives us an error message, the email is invalid because we are not using @ and .com. Now let us try to put in a valid email address. It gives us another error message, the password is too short. Let us try to increase the length of the password. And the registration is successful. Now let us log out and try to log in again. Now as you can see, it verifies the password. It is giving us an error message, the password is incorrect. Let us try to put the correct password. And once we do that, the login is successful. Now let us log out again and try to log in using the Facebook account. The Facebook login is successful. The Facebook registration has been accomplished by using Facebook SDK. Now, as you can see, there are colorful markers on the Google Maps page. These markers represent the earthquake data. Let us try to share this data on the Facebook. We have a floating action button here which shows the icon to share on the Facebook. Now let us go ahead and verify if the information has been shared on Facebook or not. As you can see, the information has been displayed on the Facebook. Now let us go ahead and dive into some more features about the earthquake tracker. As you can see, there is a more info button here. When you click on it, it displays more information about the surrounding cities. When you hit close, it closes. There is also a show list button here, which displays all the earthquakes shown by the marker. Now let us dive into the code. We begin with the login activity. This is our login page. Here we are using an intent to start the Facebook login activity. Moving on to the registration activity. Login DAO uses SQLite to store the data in database. Moving down. Here we can see that this piece of code performs user email validation, and this piece of code here performs password validation. Moving on to the maps activity. Different colors are used to display markers on the map, the code for which is shown here. The logout button will navigate user to the login page. Here marker options are populated with data. This code will share data on Facebook. And here we get all the details of earthquake in the form of JSON from the USGS website. All of this code here. Does that work? So this is a quick overview about the earthquake tracker. If you have any more questions, please feel free to contact me. Thank you.